Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through several solutions to fix your Acer laptop's non-working touchpad. And now let's get started. If your laptop touchpad is not functioning, the first step is to re-enable it. Many laptops have a dedicated function key combination for this. Locate the function FN key, usually found near the bottom left of your keyboard, and one of the F1 through F12 keys. One of these function keys will have a touchpad symbol. Press and hold the FN key, then press the corresponding F key that displays the touchpad icon to re-enable it. This method enables the touchpad at a hardware level. For software level re-enablement, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Bluetooth and Devices tab on the left-hand list. Then, in the right pane, select Touchpad. At the top of the touchpad settings, you will find a switch. Ensure it is turned on. Another simple, yet effective solution is to clean your laptop's touchpad. Use a clean, soft cloth and a suitable cleaning solution to gently wipe the touchpad surface. Dust and debris can sometimes interfere with its functionality. You should also consider unplugging any peripheral mouse you have connected. If you use an external mouse, whether via USB or Bluetooth, it is possible that it is interfering with the laptop's touchpad drivers. Temporarily disconnect your external mouse to see if this resolves the touchpad issue. If removing the external mouse fixes the problem, you may need to consider replacing it with a compatible one. The final solution involves updating your touchpad drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. In the Device Manager window, expand the section for mice and other pointing devices. Right-click on each driver listed under this category and select the option to search automatically for drivers. Windows will then attempt to find and install the latest compatible driver for your touchpad. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.